It's more fun to shop online sometimes. It's super conveniently stress from traffic. It's particularly beneficial for individuals with busy schedule or those living in remote areas with limited access to physical store. And the mall usually have great deals. And a hug selection, it's come with perks and promos. One online store I trust the most, it's AliExpress. This online shopping mall always offering the best deal over from free shipping to lots of discount. Coupon you must try AliExpress. If you're planning to shop on AliExpress, I will give coupon codes. Just check it in video description to continue. I ordered this one in AliExpress for school project purpose. This is double-sided tape. We will choose this and attaching some object together without visible adhesive. I know that some of you out there also use this when you hanging pictures, crafts, or for your personal and fashion. Use to keep your clothing in place or even in packaging anything. And shipping to sell boxes. At even construction or automotive industries use these too in some tasks like securing installation or when attaching some electronic device. The best in this item is versatility that allows for both temporary and permanent application on a wide range of materials acting as a clean alternative of glue. This tape also guides condition and relapsing through and bold and delicate paper to tricky fabric to strong materials. The best part in this kind of tape, it is strong performance. It's not easy to detach. Waterproof, temperature resistant. No residue after clearing of the side tape also remain in their best position and condition for longer because it's made of strong thickness based material high conformability, suitable for application without warping, wrinkle, and displacement. And its performance is reliable can confidently say that this product is so recommendable. Thank you guys.